The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Poweshiek County in central Iowa, northeastern Marshall County in central Iowa, southwestern Black Hawk County in northeastern Iowa, Tama County in central Iowa, southern Grundy County in central Iowa, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles northeast of Grundy Center to Beeman to Marshalltown, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marshalltown, Grundy Center, Toledo, Tama, Traer, Rhinebeck, Brooklyn, Dysart, Conrad, Meskwaki Casino, Gladbrook, LeGrand, Victor, Garwin, Albion, Holiday Lake, Liscombe, Chelsea, Montour, and Cloutier. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 202 and 204. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Black Hawk, Grundy, Marshall, Poweshiek, and Tama.